If you want to create a PayPal account to receive international payments but don't know where to start, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. PayPal is one of the most widely used platforms for sending and receiving money globally. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can set up your account without any confusion. First, go to the PayPal website or open the app and click on Sign Up. You will be asked to choose between a personal and business account. If you plan to receive payments for freelancing or business, selecting a business account is usually the better option. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password. After that, fill in your personal details like name, address, and phone number. Make sure all the information is accurate because it will be used for verification. Now you need to verify your email address. PayPal will send a confirmation link to your email. Open it and complete the verification process. After that, link your bank account or debit credit card. This step is important because it allows you to withdraw funds and also increases your account credibility. Enter your bank details carefully and confirm them. To receive international payments, make sure your account is fully verified. In some cases, PayPal may ask for identity verification, such as uploading a government ID or confirming your phone number. Once everything is set up, you can share your PayPal email with clients or customers. They can send money to that email, and it will appear in your PayPal balance. You can then withdraw the funds to your linked bank account or use them for online payments. In short, sign up, verify your email, link your bank, complete verification, and start receiving international payments through PayPal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.